Leopards are filled with power and strength, but sometimes some animals kill leopards. In fact, leopards are strong and bulky to take down children. Today, let's see 10 animals that could kill leopards. Number 10. Hippo. Hippos are strong animals. If they two came to fight, the hippo is the winner. The hippo uses its strong teeth to cut down the leopard's head. Number 9. Elephant. An elephant will throw the leopard with a strong trunk. Even it is a smart animal, it could do anything what any animal wants to do. Number 8. Tiger. Tigers are strong and bulky.